Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use SCRUMBAN. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, this is a methodology. It got the following characteristics. It is the combination of agile methodologies, Scrum and Kanban. Before watching this video, please watch the video of Scrum and Kanban here in our channel to understand the concept of each one of the methodologies. Uh, what this methodology do? It brings together the perspective nature of Scrum and the ability to improve the process of Kanban, allowing teams to move towards agile development and constantly improve your process. Scrumban is being done especially popular in industries where uh, project development and maintenance got together. These help the development of teams to eliminate high stress, improve efficiency, and overall customer satisfaction. However, the most important thing is delivery high quality products, continue improvement, minimization of and losses and reduction of production time. Okay, so Scrumban it's very important. Uh, as I say in the introduction, we got a mix between the methodology Scrum and Kanban. That is why it got that name. So the first thing that is very important to know when you are using this methodology are the previously requirements. It's very important to know what are you going to do. Are you going to develop a product? Are you going to develop a service? Are you going to improve a process, or you are going to depurate it? It's very important to understand that as Scrum and Kanban, this methodology is for a team. So you need to have a team that is very competitive so you can have a good development. So after you know what are you going to do and have all the previous requirements, you start the backlog. The backlog comes from the Scrum methodology, and in that part you are gonna to put the task to all the team members. That is very important. You are also going to develop the sprint planning. If you don't know how to make a backlog or sprint planning, please here check in our channel because we got both tutorials, how to make a backlog and how to make a sprint planning, because it's very important that each member of the team know how what is in responsibility of what. So like that you will know. After that comes the execution. It means the performance, the sprint development. So you need to know how much time are you going to spend. You know that since you program the backlog and the sprint planning. However, it's very important to keep that. Always remember to follow up because that is extremely important for the development. It's very important to understand that this is a iterative methodology. It means that you need to try and do it again and do it again. That's why the development is made by iterations and also by sprint. So very important. After you have made the execution of the development, you start testing. Testing is very important because it will evaluate the development with users. That is very important, and that part is from Kanban because you need just not to say, okay, I did user-centered design. That is not enough. You need to make the follow-up, make the evaluation, and keep making growing up everything. Then after you have made the testing, you make a check. That is very important because perhaps you have to make many iterations until you have the product or service already clear to go to the next level. It's very important that maybe you have to go back to return to a iteration to continue. So here you have two options. You say like, okay, this is ready, I can go to the next stage. Or maybe you say, no, we have a problem, I have to go back, because that's very important. Finally, you have the launch. The launch is when you drop the product, service, or business idea to the public. However, it's very important that you understand and analyze all the different components that you got in this development because it's a strong possibility that you perhaps have to go back to the iteration because at the last minute you realize that something was wrong. So very important to keep that in mind. As a conclusion, we can say that any development with SCRUMBAN is susceptible to be improved. It doesn't matter if you already launched it. Maybe after you sell something, you say like, oh no, I have to make an update because I noticed this and that, and maybe I can improve it. Success in using this methodology depends of the synergy and good attitude that there among all members who are part of the team. Teamwork is a very strong thing in this kind of developments with this methodology because you need to work very well with all your team members because maybe they can help you with something or you can realize that you can improve a development that you are making. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be a big help in your development. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Remember, every Monday we have a new video in English, in Spanish, sorry. Every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time. Thank you to all of you. We are the #1 design thinking channel and innovation channel in the whole YouTube world. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.